How to make test case fail if a Django template has a rendering error that would silently fail in production. I'm aware that Django test cases are done with debug equals false and template underscore debug equals false, and that I can change it to true for a specific function, using But maybe there is a better, more generic solution that apply for everything at once. I have an error in my template. I included another template and the link is broken. If I manually check with debug equals true, I get a template does not exist error. But during my test case the URL is rendered without the broken include, it does not throw an error, and the HTTP underscore status is 200. I already tested the very generic included template somewhere else, so I don't want to add test to see if what is inside was rendered correctly. But I want to see rendering fails, that's what my tests are for. I tried to set template underscore string underscore if underscore invalid to an exception, found here, but it does not seem to be working for a broken include. Is there a way to make all rendering error raise an exception during tests, without breaking the Django's design principle of not running test in debug?
You can use debug mode to set debug equals true for all tests. Example. Another solution is to wait for Django 2.1, it is not released yet. Documentation promises that lost includes will not be silenced, see the end of include tag reference.
Your question is solved here. There is a difference between template missing and object missing. Template underscore string underscore if underscore invalid is called when there is object missing in context.
If you want to score J, push 0.9.